ChatGPT is a natural language processing (NLP) tool developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions, write texts, and hold conversations that mimic a human being. ChatGPT responds to natural language prompts that it is fed, hence its name. One significant feature is its ability to create AI-generated content such as blogs, articles, and social media posts, similar to those written by humans. ChatGPT can be a lucrative tool if you know how to put the output it generates to good use. You can earn money indirectly as a full-time job or a side hustle. ChatGPT is not an instant or direct way of making money. It helps by increasing the productivity of existing work like programming and blogging, or by providing ideas on how to make money online. You can see success and make money with ChatGPT provided you couple it with a solid business plan and well-developed skills. Number 1. Writing articles. According to ZipRecruiter, the average freelance writer makes around $68,690 annually, which translates to more than $1,000 weekly. ChatGPT can be used for outlining and research and thus help you write much faster. That means it is possible to earn more money in less time. You can make money using ChatGPT to write articles for your affiliate marketing website. This will allow you to make more money from sales of products that your website promotes. ChatGPT could also help you find some of the most lucrative affiliate programs you can join. Even though articles made by ChatGPT are quick and easy to generate, a lot of time is spent in editing them. That's because ChatGPT's output sounds bland and robotic. The raw output lacks context and is straightforward. Humans can identify robotic content and are usually annoyed by it. Your article may get flagged as AI-generated content, and search engines could end up blacklisting your website. Therefore, you must include some nuance and extra information your audience may appreciate to make it sound human-like and natural. Number 2. Creating apps, websites, and extensions. A notable way of making money with ChatGPT is by using it to help build applications and websites. Numerous app and website builders are now embracing artificial intelligence in their development processes. You can enter all the information about how you want your website to look into a virtual assistant powered by ChatGPT and other technologies, and it will automatically generate visuals. You will still have to add a few manual touches and edits, but ChatGPT makes creating a website much easier. There is a large and ready market for Google Chrome browser extensions. About 200,000 Chrome extensions exist, and more are added to the marketplace daily. All you need is to have an idea for an extension, and ChatGPT can help with code writing. Even more good news is that Google has simplified the process of deploying and writing extensions on the Chrome Web Store. You don't have to be a programmer to utilize the code generated by ChatGPT, but some knowledge about coding can save you a lot of precious time, especially when it comes to debugging. Still, even with no experience, should ChatGPT generate bugged versions of code, you can always ask it to debug the code. Number 3. Create logos, illustrations. Another way you can use ChatGPT to make money is by creating illustrations or logos for sale. People like having expensive looking illustrations in their living room. In addition, businesses use illustrations in their brand design. Individuals like have them printed on their hoodies, t-shirts, coffee cups, and many more items. You can monetize your ChatGPT generated illustrations by selling them as printables for wall hangings or on print on demand sites online. With the subscription, you can utilize a recently added picture generating option that is DALL-E 3. The combination of ChatGPT and AI tool like DALL-E 3 opens up a world of creativity. Create logos that reflect your client's brand in a unique way. The images generated are of different sizes, and you can check the prompts provided by ChatGPT to make further adjustments. Still, not everything the bot generates is ideal, so you must closely check before using the illustrations or logos. Number 4. Get business ideas. If you are a business enthusiast or entrepreneur, you can also use ChatGPT to make money. One of the most remarkable uses of ChatGPT is generating and brainstorming business ideas. The chatbot can help you identify market gaps, propose innovative services or products, and suggest strategies for generating passive income. All you have to do is fully describe to ChatGPT about your abilities, experience, what you like, and your goal, and it will provide possible business ventures for you. You can even take it several steps further by asking for a breakdown of how to execute the business ideas, the possible associated challenges, and ways of overcoming them. Number 5. Make videos for YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, TikToker, or content creator who relies on videos and you're wondering, how can I make money with ChatGPT? Here's a solution for you. While ChatGPT cannot directly generate videos, it can help you find topics your audience finds finds interesting or relevant for you to create videos on. It can also help generate an outline or even the whole script. Furthermore, it's possible to combine ChatGPT and Canva's plugin to create captivating videos. This combination is perfect, especially on platforms like Instagram and YouTube, where visually appealing content directly translates to viewer attraction and retention. This will enable you as a content creator to maintain a consistent flow of high quality and create content that will cater to the changing needs of your audience. Once the videos are done, you can share them on YouTube and other platforms to earn money. Number 6. Create a chatbot with ChatGPT. There's an ever-growing demand for AI-assisted chatbots across numerous sectors. ChatGPT can help you design a chatbot that will support customers, enhance their experience in service, or even drive higher sales. Such chatbots can be integrated into apps, websites, and social media platforms to offer a more responsive and interactive user experience. You can then earn money by directly selling the chatbots to different apps, websites, and platforms that need them, or by using them on your website and charging a subscription fee. On number 7, we have affiliate marketing campaigns. Another way that you can use ChatGPT to make money is through digital marketing campaigns, and more specifically, email affiliate marketing. The chatbot is excellent at writing emails in several ways and can convince users to subscribe to a service or click on a link to buy a product. You can get money when you add your affiliate link. Here are some of the ways you can use chatbots for digital marketing. Offer digital marketing services, where you use ChatGPT to generate engaging and personalized content for social media posts, email campaigns, and online advertisements. Develop chat-based marketing strategies to enhance customer interaction and lead generation. Use ChatGPT to analyze trends and generate insights for data-driven marketing decisions. Provide automated response systems for customer queries and feedback on digital platforms. ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to earn money, catering to various interests and skill sets. The possibilities are vast, whether through engaging freelance work, developing AI-driven tools, or even creating digital products. Do not forget that the key to AI success lies in adapting to the rapidly evolving technological landscape and continuously learning. Embrace the possibilities of artificial intelligence and allow ChatGPT to guide you through the exciting journey towards innovation and financial success.